Hello. Well, the other day I did a video on my Marvel Legends figures, and that came out pretty good. So I decided to make another video with all the Justice League Unlimited figures, and so you can see all of them. I have a set that's in the boxes, like you see there, and I have some that are outside the box. And for each character, I kind of like to put a related comic next to it. None of them, I believe, were sold in the US. Like that Superman there, the white one they call, I guess. I actually got that one from Brazil. Yeah, you're gonna see some characters. They have two versions, and they also have. I don't know if you can notice. Maybe on the next one, they have different boxes. Uh, they were released at different times. I guess there were different series. See that one's a different box. And those are the large characters. They're about like, let's say, 8 inches. And there's the smaller ones, which is pretty cool. There's a lot more characters on the smaller series. And like I said before, like some characters, they have two versions. Like Wonder Woman, there's one with the cape and one without the cape. Uh, the Martian, there's the green one and the other one that's like clear, the phasing one. That's pretty cool, and it's hard to find that one. And then there are the smaller ones. They're not really action figures. I have a couple outside the box, so you can take a closer look. Uh, Here. That's one of my favorites, actually. This one with the cape, Hourman. I mean, they move a little bit. You can move the arms and the waist and the head a little bit, the legs a little bit, but it's a nice look there. Um, but they're not really like action figures. They're like almost like statues, almost. So three of them, but they're very well made. I think they when they came out, they used to cost like 10, $20. Um, Now some of the nicer ones you can still find uh, for a good price. Some of the rare ones they can go for a lot more. And I guess there's a comic book and of course the cartoon series. But I have to say my favorite piece, my favorite figure is a Solomon Grundy. Um, and he's got two different versions. Let's see a quick overview. That's the what they call the regular one, and that's from I guess Chicago Wizard World. And they have a variant, another exclusive with that green stuff all over him, like the slime all over him. And that's a pretty cool figure. And I guess this one is the, the focus on this camera, the Comic Con exclusive as well. And they come in like in that box. There's a box inside a box. So you can see both of them. Try to take out the videos in 4K so you can see all the details. And this one I actually got on eBay. I don't really care too much about the grade. I guess that's a nice grade, but I just like it that it was that box and then the case around it. And I got the comic to put next to it. I guess this is another exclusive. It's Giganta. I don't know what you call it. It's like 2 pieces. That's a regular size one. It's supposed to be about 8 inches or so, which is the giant size of it, a giant version of it, and then the regular small version of it. Again, this is, if you're collecting them, this would be the complete series, Justice League Unlimited. It's another quick look. In some, like Atom, it comes with like a mini version of him as well. That's the 2 Batmans. The left one, special order from Brazil as well. Aquaman. Flash. And this one, I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually 2 different versions. Let me see side by side. The one on the left has the black suit, and the one on the right has the green suit. So you can see better, it's high up there. So let me go back here so you see the entire series. And I built those shelves myself. I still have to do the LED lights on it, like I did for the other ones, for the Marvel. But the shelves is the more time-consuming part of it. So, well, I hope you liked the video. And I'll do a couple more for the other figures I have. Thank you again.